Understanding Flatlined, an English phrase explained. Hello, dear viewers. Today, we're diving into the world of English phrases, and we've got a particularly interesting one to explore. Flatlined. This term has a vivid origin and a variety of uses in everyday language. Whether you're an English learner or just looking to expand your vocabulary, this video will help you understand how and when to use the phrase flatlined. So, let's get started and decode the nuances of this expression together. Flatlined has its roots in medical terminology. In a hospital setting, when a patient's heart stops and there is no longer any fluctuating activity on an electrocardiogram, ECG, which is a monitor of heart activity, we say the heart has flatlined. This is because the line on the ECG that normally goes up and down with each heartbeat becomes flat, indicating no heart activity. Essentially, it's a direct reference to cardiac arrest or the cessation of heart function. Interestingly, the use of flatlined has transcended beyond its medical origins. In everyday language, when someone says a thing or a situation has flatlined, they're usually not talking about heartbeats. Instead, they are metaphorically referring to something that has stopped progressing or has failed to show any signs of activity or life. For instance, the negotiations between the companies flatlined after disagreements on price. The audience's enthusiasm flatlined after the first hour of the presentation. It can also imply that something has become boring, uninteresting, or lacking vitality. When used in a non-medical context, flatlined can also carry an emotional connotation. It can express a sense of disappointment or frustration with the lack of progress or change. For example, my excitement for the project flatlined when I realized how much work was involved. Now that you understand what flatlined means, let's look at how to incorporate it into a sentence. The party was great at first, but it flatlined after midnight when most guests had left. Her career had flatlined for a while before she made a successful comeback. Remember, using flatlined correctly in a sentence can help convey a powerful image of something that has stalled or become static. Thank you for watching our exploration of the phrase flatlined. It's a word with a dramatic origin that has found its way into our everyday conversations with a meaning that extends far beyond its medical beginnings. Now that you're familiar with this term, you can use it to describe situations that are in desperate need of a jumpstart or when describing something that's come to a halt. Don't let your language learning flatline. Keep up with our videos for more insights into English phrases and expressions. Until next time, keep learning and keep practicing.